Hey little one, why are you so scared? Remember, those who fear can never move forward.
The little kitten thought, can I really do this? She was so scared inside.
But still, she gathered her courage and started climbing. One step, then another.
As soon as she ate the magic fruit, a new strength filled her. Now she felt really brave.
And just like that, the little kitten became the bravest in the whole jungle. Always remember, kids, courage can overcome any fear.